পড়ে যাবে জুম দিয়ে করলেই ক্যামেরা নড়ালেই পড়ে যাবে। চেয়ারে বসে ধর একজনকে চেয়ারে বসিয়েছি সামনে বসিয়ে দেয় একজন সামনে বসে ধরে নিয়ে কাজ দিচ্ছি করে দিচ্ছি। কেন বসে যাবে বসে চেয়ারে বসে একটা বসে
Okay, so good evening ladies and gentlemen. I feel immense pleasure to announce that we are back for the third time in the occasion. I welcome all of you in Thailand Food and Fruits Fiesta, brought to you by Spencer's with special collaboration with Department of International Trade Promotions, Ministry of Commerce Thailand and Royal Thai Consulate, Kolkata. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I warmly welcome our guest, Chef Ms. Zara Chisti Abedi. Can I have a big round of applause for our chef, Ms. Zara Chisti Abedi, please? Okay, so Zara ma'am, as you are here. So, first of all, what we are cooking today?
Hi everybody, welcome to Spencer. And once again we are back with our Thai food festival. I hope you all are having a good time shopping here. Please spend some time here, look, see what we are doing too. And yes.
Okay, so everybody is here, I think. Okay, so I know everybody is busy with their shopping, but still I want to call them. Up for here for a beautiful cookery show, which is Thailand Food and Fruits Fiesta. Taste the thrill of everything Thai. So, okay, we are cooking a Thai food today, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the name of the food? What's the name of the dish?
Today we are going to make two dishes here in Spencer Quest. And as it is a Thailand food fiesta, so of course the dishes are going to be very, very Thai. And everybody who's been to Thailand, they know the most known or the most popular dish is Gai Krapao, which is chicken with chili and basil. It's a stir-fried dish. It's minced chicken, stir-fried with chili and basil. So I'll be showing that today. And again, the other thing that is there is that every ingredient which we are going to use today in this dish is available here at Spencer's.
Yeah, that's the main point basically. You can get every food in Spencer's. Okay, so Zara ma'am.
Yes, and the other dish that we will be doing a curry which will be infused as a soup. So it is like the red curry is very famous in Thailand, but this time I will show you all something different with the red curry. It will be more like a red curry vegetable broth or soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, name is, quite tough it is, but
with lot of chilies and basil is krapao. Okay. So we are making stir-fried chicken with chilies and basil.
Okay, so I have never visited to Thailand, but I'd love to taste some Thai food.
Sure.
So here we are. And here we go, I think.
Yeah. So I'll start with this, and while cooking, I will also introduce the ingredients which are there.
Definitely.
And I would like people who are yeah. Okay, so here let me go through the ingredients which are used in stir-fried chili and basil with chicken. We have chicken which we have minced. Here it's 750 grams of chicken which I have minced. Then we have sliced onion. We have a lot of red bird eye chilies. I would like to show you that this chili is here available in Spencer. This is the Thai chilies.
Okay, these are the Thai chilies, right?
These are bird eye chilies, very very spicy. These are available in Spencer's. The normal red chilies. The garlic again, I have this garlic which I have used again from Spencer's.
Okay, and this is only one chopped onion, right?
Yes, this is one chopped onion.
Okay.
And these are around 8 to 10 chopped red chilies.
Oh my god, okay.
And basil again is available here in Okay. We usually use in the Italian cooking. It is the hot basil. This is Thai basil. This is sweeter in taste. And yes, for the seasoning we need fish sauce available here in Spencer. Soy sauce again available here in Spencer.
Yes.
And oyster sauce available here in Spencer. We use rice bran oil.
Yes.
So guys, that is also available here in Spencer. You see Dhara rice bran oil. So I'm using this today. And I'm using brown sugar. Just organic brown sugar. If brown sugar is not available, not an issue, you can use normal sugar also. Okay? So let's start with it. We'll heat the oil.
Okay.
So I'm using like say around 1.5 tablespoon of oil here.
1.5 tablespoon.
Yeah. Rice bran oil. If you don't get rice bran oil, you can use any refined oil, any white oil is fine. Not mustard oil, please. So any refined oil is used, but usually with Thai food we use rice bran oil. It enhances the flavor. And here I have chopped garlics. So I'll stir fry this.
Okay.
Lot of garlic.
So just remember, all the ingredients are available in Spencer's, and you can get all the ingredients in Spencer's easily.
Then with this we add red chilies. Lot of red chilies. Thai food is very spicy, and you can understand Thai food with the taste. Thai food has spicy, tangy and sweet taste in each and every dish.
Okay.
That's why when we use
sweet and spicy, right?
yes, so when we use chilies we also use sugar.
Okay.
Now I'll add the chopped onions, the sliced onions that I have.
Okay.
Just a quick stir fry. I don't need to brown them, I don't need to get them transparent, just a quick saute. It's chilies, please mind that.
Yeah, definitely.
Now I'm putting loads of basil in it.
So these all ingredients are for 750 gram chicken, right?
Yes. And again, I just want to tell you that Thailand is also known as the kitchen to the world, because apparently the Thai food is supposed to be the healthiest food of the world. Like Thai cuisine is supposed to be the healthiest cuisine. Now I've added chicken into it.
Yes.
I'll infuse this all together and add at least 2 tablespoons of Thai fish sauce.
Okay.
No, we don't have to marinate the chicken. It is just boneless chicken, minced, roughly minced, not keema, just shredded you can say.
If anybody want to ask any question, you can ask to Zara ma'am.
this cooking has to be in a higher heat. Because this is stir fry, yeah. Because we just fry it fast. We don't cook it slowly. ये दम पे खाना बनाने का नहीं है.
अच्छा,
ठीक है. Now I will add sugar as I said.
One thing I must say, the music we are listening, that's a Thai music, right?
Yes. So we will stir fry till all the chicken is cooked. You see, the chicken is getting cooked now.
So it will not take much time. We can say it's an easy and short time recipe, basically.
Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce into this.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce is easily available here in Spencer, so please don't get worried कि oyster sauce क्या है, कहाँ मिलेगा, कैसे होगा. It is easily available here in Spencer. You see, we don't use any salt in this because oyster sauce and fish sauce already has salt. So we use the seasoning.
Doesn't need any salt, right?
No. And now to just give a bit of color to this, we will add dark soy sauce into it. Not the light one, dark soy sauce. I'm sorry, this is an induction gas, so it is not so hot as it should be. But please make sure when you use this, the flame should be high. एकदम तेज आंच में पकना चाहिए ये. And finally, the dark sauce. Okay, this is just a soy sauce. This is not dark. But yeah, again see this soy sauce also you can use because this is not light. This is from Spencer and Spencer's own product, Smart Choice. You can use this.
Okay. So it is for the color, right?
Very salty. So please don't use too much of this, otherwise you will not be able to eat the prabhav at all. This is a very staple, very popular dish of Thailand. This usually is served with steamed rice and a fried egg.
Okay.
And this is how they eat this. Nothing else. Just the rice, this chicken and a fried egg.
It's boiling so easily.
So just waiting for the chicken to be cooked, which I think over here is cooked properly. It's minced chicken. It is not supposed to be very dark. It has the color of the soy sauce and the seasoning that we have used. And you can see the colors over here, the red, green, and the chicken, the brown color of chicken. And a lot of
smell is coming.
yes, lot of garlic, lot of chilies, and lot of basil leaves. This is a very spicy dish, so that's the reason we eat it only with You can garnish this with, crushed peanuts. Otherwise, ऐसे भी this is fine. Yes, if you want to, go more into it, make it more tempting.
Anything else we need?
No, we don't need anything. I'm just letting it cook for 5 minutes here because of this induction thing. And this is done.
Okay. So, anybody want to ask anything about the recipe, about the food?
इसको ढकना नहीं है, इसको पकाना नहीं है, इसको दम पे नहीं रखना है, इसको बस बहुत तेज गैस में स्टर फ्राई करना है और ये हो गया.
तो उसमें बॉइलिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
बिल्कुल नहीं,
इजीली बॉयल हो जाएगा. So as you can see, now it's looking yummy by the way.
If you want to add, if you really want to add into this anything green, you can add, the snake beans. Snake beans. Karbatti?
Yes, the snake beans. Basically, this is a colorless dish. I mean, it's not like a deep color.
It's done. No?
It is done.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, so now it's looking great and yummy.
So we garnish a little bit with the spring onions.
Okay.
And this dish is complete.
Okay.
We are done here. किसी को भी बुलाइए टेस्ट एंड प्लेट.
Okay, so sir, please be here. And if anybody want to test beautiful Thai food, the Thai dish,
I would like people to come and taste and give your views on this, please.
and you can come up here and test the food.
Yeah.
Please be here. And also, if anybody want to ask any question to Zara ma'am regarding this food, like anybody want to ask about the recipe again, the menu, the ingredients, and just remember all the ingredients you can get here in Spaces. Well, Spaces Thailand Food and Fruits Fiesta in association with Department of International Trade Promotion, Ministry of Commerce, New Delhi and Royal Thai Consulate, Kolkata has been brought again in selected stores in 6 cities and Spaces online app after overwhelming response from consumers in the last year event in August. Digital inauguration through webinars so that customers can enjoy from home. First of a kind event where offline and digital platform of point of sales have been merged, and we will listen to the customers, we will listen to our audience. Okay, sir, who just said it is very good? Yeah. Okay, so may I know your name, sir? Bojit, sir. Okay, so the recipe was easy, right? Okay, if you want to ask anything to Zara ma'am, you can ask her. You can ask her freely. Well, okay, so you will cook the recipe at home? Yeah, definitely. Just invite us. Don't forget to invite us.
Everything is available in my kitchen. You can anytime, knock at Zara's kitchen. The thing is there. You can scan for the menu.
Yeah, there's the address and you can contact Zara ma'am.
Yes, I have a website. You can scan this, you can go into my menu page, but I have a cloud kitchen, high cloud kitchen, so everything is available there. Yes. Okay.
Let me just tell you that this is the first of kind event where offline and digital platform of point of sales have been merged, and even live telecasted from Quest Store, Kolkata, and can be enjoyed from Space's official Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram pages. This is a live cookery demonstrations by Chef Zara Chisti Abedi. Recipe leafleting to be distributed from stores for customers connect. Promotion on Space's Thai food and fruit fiesta ingredients from online app and website. Attractive discounts on Thai ingredients. Special coupon code for webinar attendees. So you can get some attractive discounts on Thai ingredients. So hurry up. Just buy some Thai ingredients and please cook this Thai food. And I want you all to come up here and just taste the food. This is delicious. The customers are giving feedback about this food, that the food is delicious, and if you want to know about the recipe, great, you can ask to Zara Map. You can contact to Zara Map, who is the website of Zara Chisti Abedi, our special guest, our chef. Thai cuisine is very varied and diverse. He is the participating spacious hyper stores are Kolkata like West, South City, Axis, Money Square, Rashbihari, New Town Square, Shiliguri, Gurgaon in NCR stores like MGF, Mega City and North High, Lucknow like Fun Republic and One Hour, Telangana like Mushirabad Hyper. Well, you're getting ready for the second one. And what is the name then?
It's Thai red curry with veg broth. So it's basically, yeah, it's a Thai red vegetable broth.
Okay.
With coconut.
So this is a veg dish, right?
Yes, this is a veg dish.
Okay. And these dishes are not taking much time.
No. Thai food doesn't take too much of time.
Okay.
All you need to know is what are the ingredients,
Yes.
and how to, incorporate each and every ingredient into it. Because Thai food is more about, using the right seasoning.
Okay. I can see lots of vegetables here. And by the way, I want customers' feedback also. Whoever have tasted the food, please give us the feedback.
So let's go with the second dish.
Okay. Thai red curry. Here we can see like red curry paste. Okay, red curry paste it is.
Let's go through the ingredients.
Okay.
Since this is red curry soup kind of, so we will be using the red curry paste. Usually we make the curry paste ourselves, but then again for people at home, it is readily available in Spencer. So please, everything is there, and this curry paste, the taste is too good. Okay, as a chef I can vouch for this. If I have an option, I can also use this.
Let it happen. We are using this.
Yes, we are using this here, the red curry paste. Okay, now since this is a soup, we will add coconut milk into it.
Okay.
All the soup, basically most of the curries that we make, Thai curries, all are made, this is the base of the soup. Coconut milk is the most important ingredient.
Okay.
It's a veg broth, so we are using only vegetables here. I'll be using cabbage. I'm using cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
Baby corn. Carrot, which I have cut them into strips.
Okay.
Okay. And I'll be using these mushrooms. These are again Thai mushrooms, and it's available here in Spencer.
Yes.
But suppose if you don't have this mushroom, don't panic. Use the normal mushroom. Slice them thinly.
Okay. So
Okay.
you can use the normal mushroom.
Yes. But today I'm using this mushrooms over here. The beach mushroom.
And what is the difference between like Thai mushroom and the normal mushroom?
The size.
Okay, the size of it.
There are a lot of different kind of mushrooms. There are immense variety of mushrooms.
Okay.
So if you get any mushroom, it is fine. Okay. We'll be using lemon juice.
Okay.
And we'll garnish it with coriander and spring onion. Again, I'll be using the rice bran oil.
How much it is?
1 tablespoon here now.
1 tablespoon.
And of course brown sugar. I am going to use this noodle, the flat noodle, into this soup. Okay, so this is a soup with noodles. You can make it without the noodles. You can make it with noodles. Yes. Okay. So let's start.
And if you don't want to use like brown sugar,
Normal sugar.
normal sugar,
If
sugar
you
will be
have
okay.
normal sugar, if you have palm sugar, good.
Okay.
Jaggery
will be okay also.
Yes. Don't use honey.
Definitely. Will not use.
Use any sugar. Coconut sugar, palm sugar, normal jaggery, brown sugar, whichever form of sugar is fine. Okay? Because we need that sweetness into this. So here again I'm putting almost 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay? And I will just quick fry the curry paste. Here this curry paste is almost
all this way.
Yes, all the way. Just a very quick fry because this it gets burnt very easily. Okay, just a quick fry.
And it's looking like it will be a spicy dish. I mean, very much spicy.
And we use coconut milk into this. This is more like a coconut cream, so I'll add a little bit of water according to what I feel is the thickness is not bad.
So we have to use 2 bottles of coconut milk.
Yes. Added 2 cans and I'm adding 1 can of water into it.
Okay.
So I'll let it boil now.
High flame, right?
Yes, and let it boil nicely with all this. And I'll add the vegetables that I've chopped.
Okay.
So there goes carrot, baby corn,
Okay. And the mushrooms.
mushrooms. Yes. Don't leave any of it.
We almost finished this. You don't have to cut it in a short piece, right?
No. Just cut the root.
End. Yeah.
Yeah. In goes the mushrooms.
It's looking interesting.
It is. Now we will add the seasoning to it. So okay. The thing is that instead of using, we usually don't use salt.
Yes.
Alright? So if this we add chicken or fish or prawns into it, we can use fish sauce. But since this is a veg option, we will use a normal soy sauce.
Okay.
Okay? Not
So
too
we will
much
not use the fish sauce.
light soya sauce, but here we have this normal one, so I'm using half of it. Just a little bit of it.
Okay.
But if you add chicken or prawns or fish into it, you can add fish sauce.
Okay.
Okay? And then we add sugar.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
So now it's time for the dragon noodles.
Yes. You can pre-boil the noodles or you can just put it into this. It's okay. You can pre-boil and keep it. नहीं तो इसको ऐसे भी use कर सकते हो directly. Because by the time the other things will boil, this will also boil with it.
We will give the whole packet.
No, I'm not using it. You use it according to how much you want to have. I'm keeping it a little soupy, so I'm not using too much of it.
we are here in Thailand Food and Fruits Fiesta, brought to you by Spencers with special collaboration with Department of International Trade Promotions, Ministry of Commerce, Thailand and Royal Thai Consulate, Kolkata. And here, Zara Chisti Abedin is with us. And the cabbage is ready. You have to boil the cabbage or?
No, we'll add the cabbage right at the end because we don't want it to become mushy.
Yeah, okay.
We'll boil it with everything else. So we'll add the cabbage right at the end.
Okay.
So it will still have the crispiness there. And we'll also add a little bit of chili to this. Just to give it a little punch.
And just remember, you don't have to use extra salt. I mean, the soya sauce is already salty. So,
I'm using 1 spoon of red chilies into this.
okay.
You want to introduce your fruits? Yeah? Let's introduce the fruits. You were just telling people about the fruits of
definitely.
Thailand, right?
Definitely.
Rambutan and you were talking about...
We have a main counter out here. We have kept all the ingredients. So under one umbrella, all kinds of offers, discounts, everything is going on. So that's for the convenience of our customers. You can just come to our Spencers, just walk into our stores. There are 13 stores which are participating as mentioned by my colleague. That is going on in 6 cities, over 4 states, with a wide range of exotic foods and high authentic food ingredients. Okay, so here there are limited things that we have kept just for the reference. We have got shiriji mushrooms, we have got gnocchis here, we have got gnocchis, some purple cabbages, red cabbages, we have got yam. This is lotus, sorry, I take back the word. This is lotus root, tamal kafi. This is lotus root. This is the yam. This is the Thai yam. You can see that this is white in color. Unlike the Indian variety, if you are for the Indian thing, I think Chef can correct me from now. You have to put in the sun, sun dry it.
Yeah. This
is out of the world.
This is BN. हिंदी में इसको BN बोलते हैं. ये लोटस स्टेम है.
So these are the red cherries. Very freshly, very juicy. We have got blueberries out here. Very important. I open it for you. This is the Thai guava.
Is it pink inside?
Yeah, yes, we have the variety in the counter, but here it's the normal white one, very sweet ones. So I will request all our customers to visit our stores, try this kind of products which we are in these difficult times. We are flying it from Thailand to our stores just for the sake of just for the benefit of our customers. Also, like you can see, like there are so many coconut milk.
I'll go through this.
Yeah, please.
I'll just take you to like a small tour on all the sauce and paste that are available. Thailand is very much known for its sauce, the dip, and the paste, curry paste. So the dips are used with all the other starters or appetizers that we use. Probably in the next session I will go with one starter. Thai sweet chili sauce is one of the major sauce that we use with all our starters or salads or any appetizer you can say. This is the ginger chili sauce. Again, upon the plum sauce goes very well with the salads that they serve. Then we have the black bean sauce. This you can use with your noodles. Okay, another brand of sweet chili sauce. Sushi vinegar is here. So next time we do a Japanese course with sushi and everything. Okay, then we have the sriracha sauce. Of course, as you all know, Thai food is very spicy and they use a lot of spiciness in this. This sauce is very, very spicy. Do we have this is the stir fry sauce or anything. If you stir fry, you don't want to put anything else, you can just put this. You don't need any fish sauce or any oyster sauce or any other thing. You can just use this as a stir fry sauce. Of course, the flat noodles are there, and I have shown you the flat noodles before. And this is the rice vermicelli. So these are very thin noodles, rice noodles. Is there anything else out there? Do we have anything else? Yes, the coconut milk, not to forget, one of the major ingredients for any kind of soup and curries. So we've done with this. And the most important seasoning, the fish sauce. So guys, everything here in Spencer is available. Anything you want to try out, make at home, all the ingredients are available here at Spencer's.
One more addition that I want to make, that is, if you're not able to come and visit our stores, then you can just log into our Spencer's online and place your order there. Even you can leave your numbers. We have got a phone delivery numbers flashing on screen. You can deliver. You can just call them up, ask for deliveries, and we will be happy to send it to your places.
Okay, the soup is almost done. I'm adding the cabbage now, the chopped cabbage. Okay, I'll just switch this off. It's done.
And when will we use the lemon?
Now, we just
Time to use the lemons.
we'll just squeeze out the juice of lemon.
Okay. You have to use 2.
Yes, I'll use 2 in this,
Okay.
or maybe 1.5. And we just switch this off, we take it off the heat and then add, because otherwise, it's got coconut milk, it might just curdle.
Yes. We'll remove the seeds.
So there in goes the thing. This is ready. Also,
Again, a yummy dish.
and please,
The coriander.
coriander goes in for garnish and goes in these spring onions.
Okay. So a veg Thai dish again it's time for the test. Just remember, we need your feedbacks, and if anybody want to test, you can come up here and taste the food.
Please come. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Those who are just on the other side of the camera, watching from their home, you are not able to just smell the aroma. There is a nice, real coconutty aroma which is just here in the event zone.
Please come and enjoy the food. You can try it at your home also. All the ingredients you will get in Spencer's, all the fruits, all the Thai fruits, all the Thai ingredients, the Thai sauces, every food you will get in Spencer's. You can order in online also if you don't want to visit Spencer in this pandemic situation. अच्छा ये कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, I request all customers if you can just come forward and try.
Feel free to taste. Feel free to visit here and taste the food. Please come here, please. Everybody.
Vegetarian, you can try. Yeah, please.
Just visit here and taste the food. Come on, it's looking good. I think it is yummy.
For sure it is yummy. It's done by chef.
Yeah, definitely. It is done by Chef Zara Baby.
Please try.
Want to come? Not a worry. You want to try?
And may I know, sir, how's the taste? Yes. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, we don't have salt over here. I know that you must have found it a little because I think I used a little bit of. I thought we salt, so we don't know. We need dark soy sauce for this.
Yeah.
The salt comes from the soy sauce, but this is not the dark one. We need a stronger soy sauce.
So everyone, what are you doing? Just come here and taste the food. It is a delicious food made by our chef Zara Christie Abedi. Zara Christie Abedi. Okay. So sir, how is the taste?
It's totally yummy. Yeah, it's a totally a different dish I have tried over here. So in Spencer, we get all these products. A mushroom, there is a mushroom. Yeah, definitely I will try at home. Okay. So I would request everyone who are coming over Spencer, they can get all the foods over here, all this stuff. So within this 23rd of July till 15th of August, this fest is going on. So I would request everyone to come down over here, have tried this, cook at home. We have live classes also. You can get idea over here. And we are always there at store to guide you. So please come down and enjoy this festival with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, the garnishing is good also.
I just add cherry tomatoes too with this, which I forgot while doing it. ये पास कर दो.
I'd request the rest of the people that please come here and taste the food, because like everybody is giving us the feedback that the food is yummy.
Imam, try now. थोड़ा सा.
I can see there is lots of excitement among customers for this recipe particularly. I can see many of them coming forward and trying. As in that's our intention. Like people out here should try.
Yeah, many of them are saying like they will try at home.
We have to, we have to go out of dal makhani and roti and try Thai food. It's the taste is so similar to our cuisine, like what we try in our home.
Yeah, please, but next time please give me a data soya sauce.
But if you really want to try this at home, just remember all the ingredients you can get in Spencer's. You can order those online also, and Spencer's Thailand Food and Fruits Fiesta in association with Department of International Trade Promotion, Ministry of Commerce, New Delhi and Royal Thai Consulate. Kolkata has been brought again in selected stores in 6 cities as Spencer's online app after overwhelming response from consumers in the last year event in August. Digital inauguration through webinars so that customers can enjoy from home. First of a kind event where offline and digital platform of point of sales have been merged. Event live telecasted from Quiz Store, Kolkata, and can be enjoyed from Spencer's official Facebook, YouTube and Instagram pages. Live cookery demonstrations by Chef Zara Chisti Abedin. Recipe leaflet to be distributed from stores for customers connect. Promotion on Spencer's Thai food and fruit fiesta ingredients from online app and website. Most interesting, attractive discounts on Thai ingredients. So please buy some Thai ingredients and cook some Thai food in your home. Special coupon code for webinar attendees.
I would want you to also taste and let me know. I eat too.
Okay, so yeah, thank you. I'll taste it also. So just give us feedback about the food. It's looking yummy, and I will taste it. Now I want you to say a bit louder that it is tasty and
please dare please. It is really very, very tasty.
Thank you so much. I think I have done my job.
Yeah, thanks, Chef.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you all next time again.
So before we sign off for the day and we proceed to the vote of thanks, there is one announcement I have to make. Like, please get us live on 30th of July. That's going to be an opening ceremony at Quest. You can catch us online. There will be visit by the Minister, Councillor Commercial, Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi, Consul General, Royal Thai Council, Kolkata, cookery class by Thai Arjun Chef, Warapon Kinbai. There will be live cultural dance programs and many more to catch. We are also going to release the celebrity blogger and the author for that day. Check that space in Facebook and our online connect. That's all from my end. Over to.
Okay, so it's time for the vote of thanks, and let me tell you that Office of Commercial Affairs, Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi. I'd like to thank all officials and dignitaries of Department of International Trade Promotion, Ministry of Commerce, Thailand. I'd like to thank all officials and dignitaries of Royal Thai Consulate General, Kolkata. Okay, Ms. Zara Chisti Abedin, I'd like to thank you also. Thank you very much for the beautiful food and for the delicious food basically. Silk Zara's Kitchen, thank you. All
Chef, there's a small gift from our end. Thanks for your time. Thanks as a matter of fact.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, customers, for watching us live.